Nova Home Loans has donated over $1 million to charities, and their Rally Back program is getting people to visit businesses. Matthew Lucas is here to tell us more about this. Good morning, Matthew. How are you?
Morning. I'm outstanding. Thank you. How about yourself?
Well, I'm doing really good because you're here now, and I need about 1.3 million, 1.4 million to buy a couple of penthouses in, North Scottsdale.
Yeah.
What you're saying, let's do it because this market is blowing up, right?
Absolutely, it is. Yeah. Right now, I mean, this is a unique time for the industry. It's a unique time to be a homeowner and try to get out there and try to find a house that works for you. But yeah, I mean, the market's crazy, but it's a great time to be a homeowner. It's a great time to go out there and see if you can make it happen.
Yeah, we were talking about this before you came in, and we were saying that people are kind of like hesitant right now. One, because of 2008 bubble, but also two, they're kind of like going, well, I can't afford it. I don't know. But you made a good example. If you're paying rent right now, you probably can afford to buy a house.
Correct. Yeah. I mean, right now, a lot of individuals are starting to see rent is now going to start increasing. So if you've been sitting on the fence and wondering if the time's right, it is, right? This is a great opportunity for you to start investing in yourself. And that's what the goal of home ownership can accomplish for you. It allows you to build your own equity. You're not paying a landlord, right? So you build your own equity. There's tax benefits there. And most importantly, there's local lenders like myself who are going to guide you through that process and help you understand what you can and cannot do. So it's honestly, if you don't want to ask somebody to paint your walls, you want to get a dog, that's the benefit of home ownership. Get out there, buy a house for yourself, do it for your family. It's a great time for sure.
And again, you said something very important, and that is a licensed loaner, which you are. You've gone to school. You know all the rules and regulations. Because when we do have these kind of booms, we got, how can we say, fly-by-night loan people popping up that you don't know who you're getting in with, and it could cause you a lot of trouble.
Yeah, absolutely. A licensed loan officer is somebody who has gone through and passed their state national exams. They have background checks and so forth. But most importantly, local, especially for the fact that I am in Gilbert, I'm in Arizona, I'm in Phoenix, I'm down in Tucson. So I have the ability of knowing what's happening, and I also want to make sure that people feel like they're not a loan number. They're an actual client to me. They're a family, they're a mother, a father. So it's important to leverage a local lender who is licensed, who's going to put your best interest first.
Yeah. You got any tips for people right now who are kind of like sitting on the fence at home, kind of like going, okay, I do want to go see someone. I want to come see Matthew, but I'm a little nervous. What's some tips you can give them? Honestly,
just go for it, right? Get off the fence, go for it. Reach out to a lender like myself. And understand that, just because now might not be the right time for you, working with somebody like me, I'm going to figure out when the right time would be for you. So, honestly, most people, they kind of struggle and think, maybe I don't have enough down payment. Well, there's first-time home buyer programs, there's down payment assistance programs. Some conventional first-time programs only offer up to 3% down payment. So there's a lot of opportunity for you. Just the first step is to talk to somebody, right? Yeah. Figure out where your finances are at, figure out where your credit's at, and how we can move forward to help you achieve your goals of home ownership.
I like you said again too, something important, and that is to know where your finances are. And that's where you sit down with them. You sit down and you take their whole big picture, and you kind of like, okay, you know what? How many times do you really use that RV or that boat or whatever like that? Let's consolidate, because that's going to help you be able to get into your dream home.
Absolutely. Sometimes, you have to have that conversation with a client and say, hey, in these situations, maybe you don't need 3 cars, right? You do have an opportunity to reduce some of your liabilities so that we can help you achieve your goals of home ownership. So that's a candid conversation that a good loan officer will have with their clients. Really help them understand where their finances are and truly what they can achieve.
Yeah. All right, let's switch gears to where you're not just there to help loan money, you're there to build the community, and you have this Rally Back. Tell me a little about the Rally Back.
Yeah, Rally Back's an awesome program, and like you had mentioned before, Nova has donated over $1 million to local charities, right? So we had a few people in our organization who really wanted to find a way of helping local businesses thrive after COVID. So they came up with the Rally Back program. And basically what we do is we set down a $500 tab at a local business, and we encourage consumers, clients, new customers, if you will, to come in and experience that business, right? So we've done it at like Peacock Wine Bar, AR Workshop, AKT, which is like a boutique workout place. So we open this $500 tab and we push it on social media. We encourage our consumers, our clients, anybody to come in and experience this place and help them rally back after what has been kind of a difficult time for a lot of local small business with COVID.
Yeah, that's a great idea of doing that. And so, and what I like is that you're doing it in the communities where you guys help out people to have homes, because again, people want to be in a community that's open. Yes. And you guys are doing it great. Okay, so do you guys just go out and surprise businesses and surprise people, or how does someone get in the program?
So honestly, a lot of times what happens is that a local chamber or friends and family or your community will nominate that that business for us to reach out to. So there's a couple different ways you can reach out to me. You can reach out to Mandy Reed, who is our business development coordinator at my branch. But what we'll do is we'll have a conversation with that business, and then we will get it going. So yeah, we'll start pushing on social media and have people come in and experience that business.
All right, so where do they need to follow to find out? Because I'm about to follow you to go go for a little appetizer or something at these businesses. How do they do it?
I would suggest following our Nova Home Loans Gilbert Forum branch. You can do that on social media as well as our website, or reach out to me directly. I think we have a website, which I'll give you afterwards if I can remember it, and we'll get that going.
No, we'll definitely. I think we'll get it on the screen there for you and everything.
Absolutely.
We'll get it on aztv.com for you too, which is really great. This is so awesome you guys are doing this. So,
a big part is if you take care of your community, they'll take care of you. So it's important that we, as a community, we rally back for our local businesses, right? So I myself am like a local business. I'm a small business owner, if you will, as a loan officer. So take care of your community. It's an important part.
Perfect. All right, Matthew, thanks for coming in. Thanks for that. Again, we have information on aztv.com on how you can get into the Rally Back program, also how you can get a hold of Matthew to talk about home loans if you're looking to buy. So thank you very much.